Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to talk about a few issues we're having with the Celica, and I wanted to explain to you why everything's been so hectic in my world. We just have a lot of stuff going on, so I'll show you some of that not so fun stuff, and then we're going to talk about the problems I'm having with the Celica GTS. Working on the intake, just trying to mock some stuff up right now, and it's not exactly going that well. But anyway, let's get to showing you some of the big changes coming around the garage.
Y'all don't even like me, no, I'm staring in the mirror. Claiming the good as a shy, but timid the good as...
Oh yeah, and one other thing on our way over there, this turd crapped out this week. I put a slave cylinder in this thing about 2 months ago and it crapped out. Luckily, Napa had that on ordered it with my credit card. They warrantied it, put a new one in, good to go again. So the beater's back alive, and thank God, because this old beater's been doing a lot of work trying to get this home shop and everything set up. I did order the lift, I have my receipt paperwork, but the company that I ordered it from, which is Benpack, said they're gonna email me once it ships out, and I'm a little frustrated because it said late August, and it's late August right now. Almost September, holy smoke. So hopefully that lift gets here soon, but if we come around this way, one of the things we had to do was put in a new door. So we got the new door in, got a fancy electric keypad with a code, or I have a key for it. This is why, this is my old door, it's just beat all to hell. The lock on the handle down here is about ready to come right out of there. I've had to break in when I bought the house, and I'd just been tying a piece of string onto this, so not real secure. So we got that portion of the busy work done today painted, and I'm colorblind, so you guys, is that green? I thought it matched the siding, but I think it's green. Anyway, so that's one not so fun busy work project that we got done, and then we go to the other side of the house. I'll show you the next piece. All right, so you can see right behind me here, this is going to be a driveway. Having some issues, and my neighbor was actually super awesome. That's his brand new driveway. He's actually paying for mine, and then I'm gonna get to pay him back, which is super awesome, super fortunate to have awesome neighbors out here. But one of the hiccups that this puts in our plan is at the end where that skidder is, we're gonna put a steel building. I got the frame for it and everything, but I need the driveway to be poured so I can put the steel building on there. Then the twin supercharged Fox body build, that project is going to go into that building. Again, a lot of this will make more sense when we actually get to reveal to you what exactly the hell is going on around here, but that's another thing that's kind of holding us back. So I'm trying to organize the garage and get it ready to go, and it's really hard when I have to work around the Fox body. And that leads us to what's going on with the turd. All right, so here we go. So I got the used Injen short ram intake. This is that one-off throttle body spacer that I had made, which we'll talk about once we install. We'll also talk about the Jet Power Flow Performance Mass Airflow Sensor, and we got a good quality air filter from Weapon R. So you guys, I can't stress enough, you're gonna cheap out on stuff, that's whatever, that's up to you, but don't cheap out on your air filter. Look at this, this is eBay garbage, and it's actually coming apart, so this thing ain't filtering anything. The filter is actually making it more dirty. Granted, I don't know how old this is, but I saw these same intakes on eBay for 30 bucks. Was on here when I bought the car, and you can see the red right there. Like the filter is actually getting sucked into the throttle body, so that is not good. But the issue I have, if you look at the Injen, you can tell it's longer because that's this one with the coupler on it. The Injen's longer than that. So our fuse box right here is actually in the way. So if I had this intake bolted in there, it sits right about here. That Injen is longer, and then that is without having this throttle body spacer in here, which is, I don't know, 2 inches thick. So I don't know how exactly that's going to work. I could easily relocate this one. It's really small. This is the crappy bracket that was on this Chinese intake, so this will come off. I can remove this bolt right here, and I could tuck this up over here or something. But this fuse box, the main one, is actually more so in the way. And that one would be a little more involved to move. I don't really know how I can do that. So I, on the forums, asked a few questions. We'll see if anybody responds. And then you also have this little air duct that goes into the ECU, but the filter should be able to come right through here. So yeah, this has been a lot of fun. All right, so the good news is I figured it out. So this was actually made, this is the same intake. I had to modify it, cut it off with my chop saw. It was originally for a GT, and the listing on eBay said it was for a GTS, but the GT has a little bit longer section that sticks out there and has a slight curve to it. I cut it off. Now it's going to match up perfectly with our throttle body. I still might have to move some of this because of the spacer. All right, guys, so yeah, that's my world right now. Getting busy work done on the garage, trying to mock up stuff on the Celica, just keep myself busy when I'm sick of working on the garage. And this is kind of the beauty of it, you guys. I work at a Toyota dealership, right? So a lot of times we're just doing stock OEM / diagnostics and replacing parts, stuff like that, on cars that aren't modified. When you're modifying cars, it's a whole different ball game because different parts, modified parts, performance parts, they all fit differently. So this is just kind of a little piece of the puzzle, but I really do enjoy it, and I cannot wait to share the news of what's going on with the channel very soon with you guys. I really want to get Lucian repping the block. Go follow him on YouTube, you guys. He just got done with a few really cool projects, but Lucian, if you're watching this, you got to help me with this reveal video, so you better get amped up for that. If you guys enjoyed the content, please drop a like down below, subscribe if you have not already. Other than that, guys, that's what I got for you today. So if you enjoyed, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.